Welcome back to Motor Vision, the channel where passion for cars meets the thrill of innovation. If you love staying ahead of the curve with the most exciting news from the automotive world, make sure you stick around, because today we're diving into a machine that perfectly defines raw power, futuristic technology, and Italian craftsmanship. The automotive world has just witnessed a groundbreaking reveal, and it's none other than the next-generation 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto. Lamborghini has always been the brand synonymous with outrageous design, earth-shaking performance, and an aura of exclusivity. But this new Revuelto doesn't just live up to that legacy, it redefines it for the modern era. The Revuelto represents the beginning of a bold new chapter in Lamborghini's history. Ever since the Aventador bowed out, enthusiasts and critics alike have been waiting with bated breath to see what Lamborghini would bring as the next flagship V12 model. And now in 2026, that vision has been realized in a way that feels futuristic, but also deeply rooted in Lamborghini's DNA. The Revuelto combines a breathtaking V12 powertrain with advanced hybrid technology, marking Lamborghini's full leap into the electrified Supercar era without sacrificing its primal soul. Let's start with what everyone wants to know, the heart of this beast. Sitting right behind the driver is a newly developed 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V12 engine. But this isn't just another carryover. Lamborghini has tuned and engineered this power plant to scream higher, rev quicker, and deliver even more ferocity. On its own, the V12 produces jaw-dropping horsepower figures. But paired with the new tri-motor hybrid system, the combined output crosses an astonishing 1,000 horsepower mark. Yes, you heard that right. Over 1,000 horses unleashed in true Italian fashion. That makes the 2026 Revuelto not only the most powerful production Lamborghini ever, but also one of the most advanced hybrid hypercars on the planet. Now, power is one thing, but how that power is delivered is what makes this machine so captivating. Lamborghini has paired the V12 engine with 3 electric motors, 2 positioned at the front axle for precise torque vectoring, and 1 at the rear integrated with the transmission. This setup allows for instantaneous electric torque, mind-bending acceleration, and a level of all-wheel drive precision never before experienced in a Lamborghini. 0 to 60 is expected to happen in well under 2.5 seconds, and the top speed easily crosses the 220 mph barrier. But numbers only tell part of the story. What Lamborghini has created is an entirely new driving experience, ferocious yet futuristic, blending the sound of a naturally aspirated V12 with the silent surge of electric power. The 2026 Revuelto also introduces a brand new gearbox, a cutting-edge 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. It replaces the single-clutch system of the Aventador, delivering quicker, smoother, and more intelligent shifts. This new transmission ensures that whether you're cruising through the city or blasting down a racetrack straight away, every gear change feels instantaneous and purposeful. Add to that an advanced energy management system that seamlessly blends electric power with combustion muscle, and you've got a hypercar that balances raw savagery with intelligent efficiency. Of course, no Lamborghini is complete without jaw-dropping design, and the Revuelto takes things to a whole new level. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this car looks like it belongs on the cover of a sci-fi magazine. The design language is unmistakably Lamborghini. Sharp angles, dramatic proportions, and aerodynamics sculpted not just for beauty, but for performance. The front fascia is dominated by aggressive Y-shaped LED headlights, a signature motif that pays tribute to Lamborghini's iconic styling evolution. The massive air intakes, the low-slung stance, and the angular lines all scream speed, even when the car is standing still. Around the sides, the Revuelto's sculpted body channels air with military precision, ensuring cooling efficiency for the hybrid system and maximizing downforce for track dominance. The signature scissor doors make their dramatic return, reminding us that Lamborghini is as much about drama as it is about performance. At the rear, things get even more insane. The exposed V12 engine bay, hexagonal exhaust outlets, and futuristic LED taillights create a view that's both mechanical art and aerodynamic science. A massive active rear wing adjusts dynamically to deliver optimal downforce or reduce drag depending on driving conditions, keeping the Revuelto glued to the road or letting it slice through the air with ease. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels like a fighter jet crossed with a luxury lounge. Lamborghini has reimagined the interior with an emphasis on technology, customization, and immersion. Front and center is a fully digital 12-inch driver display that provides every piece of critical information with crystal clarity. A secondary passenger display allows co-drivers to engage with performance data and entertainment, while a central touchscreen handles connectivity, navigation, and drive modes. The cabin is draped in premium materials, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine Italian leather. Yet the vibe is unmistakably futuristic. Lamborghini has balanced luxury with motorsport inspiration, giving drivers a space that feels both commanding and indulgent. But the Revuelto isn't just about brute force and eye candy, it's also about embracing the future. The hybrid system is paired with a modest but effective battery pack, enabling short bursts of pure electric, driving for city commutes or zero-emission zones. Driving modes are another highlight, offering a spectrum of personalities, from fully electric driving in city mode to a balanced, hybrid performance for daily use, and finally to the insane Corsa mode that unleashes the full hybrid V12 Fury. The Revuelto adapts to every scenario. This versatility makes it not just a track weapon, but also a surprisingly usable supercar for those lucky enough to own one. So, what does the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto represent in the bigger picture? It's more than just a car, it's a statement. It's Lamborghini's promise that the soul of the naturally aspirated V12 will not be lost in the age of electrification. By combining that legendary sound and fury with cutting-edge hybrid technology, the Revuelto bridges the past and the future. It honors decades of Italian performance while embracing the new era of sustainability, speed, and innovation. Of course, exclusivity is part of the package. The 2026 Revuelto will be produced in limited numbers, with prices expected to start well north of $500,000. But for those fortunate enough to secure one, it's not just a purchase, it's a piece of Lamborghini history, a machine that will forever mark the transition into a new generation. For the rest of us, the Revuelto serves as an icon, a car to admire, dream about, and watch dominate streets and racetracks around the globe. It's the kind of machine that makes people stop in their tracks, pull out their phones and stare in awe, because at the end of the day, Lamborghini doesn't just build cars. They build rolling pieces of art that stir the soul, ignite passion, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto is here, and it's everything we hoped for and more: wild, electrified, and unapologetically Lamborghini. Thank you for watching Motor Vision. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the next generation of Lamborghini, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more exclusive coverage of the world's most exciting cars. Stay tuned, because the automotive future is racing toward us faster than ever, and we'll be here to bring you every thrilling detail. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your heart on the revs.